Oh man, we're here today for a very special event, and that special event is Chris McNugget. We're here today at Target for Skate Everything Wars Target Edition 2.0 because you guys liked the first episode so much that we're here again with new people. You've never played Skate Everything Wars before, huh?
It's my first time.
So basically you go into the store and you have a $75 limit to buy anything that you want that you can turn into a skateboard and put wheels and trucks on it. That thing you buy is for the other person. You're buying something to make into a skateboard for him and he's doing the same for you. If it breaks, you automatically lose.
Okay.
But then you play a game of skate on it afterwards.
Pretty good. That's pretty good.
If it's like impossible to skate or it breaks, you automatically lose.
What's the price limit today?
75. So those are the rules. If you have enough budget, you can buy an outfit, you can make him wear sandals, but he doesn't appreciate that.
I've done it for like 3 videos.
I'll go with McNugget today and you could take Fetty.
Oh yeah, let's go.
You can have cutlery. I'm taking that though.
It sounds like a Pokemon. Alright. Away with you.
Alright, we're in.
It's me and you this time.
No, this is strange.
Different teams. No.
But they're so expensive, they don't have the order there.
Only 500.
Is that security guard right there security for Target or just a security guard for somewhere else and he just happens to be shopping at Target?
I think he's shopping, or he's like trying to fake other people out to think he's shopping.
True.
Yeah, I don't know. It's halfway working.
Could go totally basic, just buy a cutting board. Woo.
How many cutting boards do you reckon we've skated?
Let's look in the beauty products. Make
Get him some
make him
mascara.
put on makeup.
Some mascara.
Look at that dog. Look at that dog.
I mean, we could skate that. Come on.
Put some trucks on one of these. Would that even work?
He has to hold one of these like a wand.
Phil Nye,
Yeah.
the science guy.
Bill Nye.
Phil is his brother. He's the alchemist. You don't know Phil? Phil Nye and Bill Nye?
She looks like she's enjoying that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
She's a happy
Yeah, she is.
camper.
We're gonna go shopping first.
Now we're gonna find out why it takes you guys so long.
Yeah.
Get him an adult.
Let's get him a pack of Glucerna shakes.
Are those good?
I don't know.
That one's pretty sick. It looks like there's ghosts inside.
Are these diaper underwears? If you cover the face, that could be me.
That's not a real tan.
You know where the pops are?
Of course I
Do you
know.
just know where they are in every store?
You can just get a book.
He sent us to the bad section.
He did.
He
They-
went the good
They
way.
knew. They even said it. They're like, all the good stuff's over here.
Jerk.
Surely you have them all by now, right?
I mean, they release new ones all the time.
My recommendation is just go through every single aisle because something
Yeah.
will catch your eye.
What's your favorite evolution? Umbreon?
Yeah.
Sylveon and Jolteon are like my favorites.
Well, I like Flareon because I like all the fire
You like the
Pokemon.
fire?
I like fire.
It's sturdy and it's really cheap. It's only like 14 bucks.
Wow. I don't understand why every company doesn't make something strong enough to skate. If he purposely breaks it, then he loses.
So it has to be purely accidental.
Why are you laughing?
Is this cheating?
Just get him a scooter? Just buy him a skateboard. Has anyone actually done that?
No. I should just walk around with this.
Yeah. Pretend like you're gonna get it. Get this one.
This one's sick.
The bad thing is when you get to go to the good side first, you get to see all the good stuff first. They got first dibs because they saw it already.
Yeah.
Let's just sneak the T-Rex out.
I swear they've actually skated one of those too.
This is what Aaron picked out for Lance.
That's metal.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How much is it?
$25. All right, we'll keep that one in.
Okay.
Well, we get into like the food section. There's the outdoor area. Gabe is Spider-Man. He hasn't told you yet?
Oh, a rug.
Dude, this is actually pretty legit. Monopoly. That could work though.
Like people that don't know us, what they think when they see this.
I know.
Inconsiderate jerks.
What do you think they're gonna say when they see that I just have this?
Is that against the rules?
You can buy it in Target. It's available.
Here's Aaron. Here's Fetty. Here's
Can jam. Is that just is there a can in there?
There's a can, and you have to try and make your frisbee in the can.
Sale too.
that is sick.
So if we get this, so we don't have much room for other things. This is 55 bucks on
55?
sale. I like that.
This is just the toy section.
Oh, that's where I want to go.
I wanna see if they have Doug's Tech Deck.
Oh, let's go.
Oh!
That's the one.
Hatchimals.
I've always wanted one of these.
Let's get you one.
I kid you not, I come to Target every Friday night for fun.
I actually had this exact toy when I was
I
a
did
kid.
too.
Yeah, but that makes me feel really old because like look, it's in like a vintage thing.
I can't snap with my left hand, but I'm proud.
Sniper rifle?
Oh, it's only 14 bucks. It's probably not that good.
No, you need to get the Nerf ones. See, this is what we need. We need these.
Oh, oh yes.
How much is it?
If I sit on it and it doesn't break,
Gabe.
it will not break. Dang it, I peed, guys.
Just have them skate some Clorox bleach. That's all we got so far.
Yeah, an actual. But then you gotta think about the game of skate. He's gonna be able to do normal tricks.
Be really good on this.
Yeah. I'm sure he's gonna be good on whatever you get, but
I think you could just
Oh.
screw him in right here.
This
There's
is pretty
potential in
good.
that for sure.
I can't see him doing any tricks on this.
You need to hide it. Just hide that in case.
Here, and then we put this box in front of it, and then there's no way
that they'll be able to see it.
Look at all the American Ninja Warrior stuff.
yeah, I wanted to get this for the Braille house so we could do like this thing. Look at this.
They make something out of everything these days.
How much is Spider-Man?
Will that hold up though?
Let's go check how much he is.
I swear it has to be 49.
He might be, but I don't know. Remember, we bought a too expensive.
Oh, there's.
I'm scarred for life.
Gator XUV 550, working dump bed, 2 4-speed reverse adjustable seats, and extreme traction wheels. Brought to you by John Deere. John Deere, you make it, we skate it.
The cool thing about this is like his legs don't move.
Yeah,
It'll bend.
if it were bendable legs, it'd be
Bend.
over. And you also get the web shooter thing too. Does that mean he gets that, or can you shoot him with webs while
Oh,
he's doing
no.
tricks?
This is probably expensive.
This is 20?
Yeah.
Where do you see that?
Are there price scanners nowadays, or is that like a... Oh, there is. There's one right there.
Price scanning isn't dead. All right, let's see the moment of truth.
Temporarily out of service.
What in the world? It is dead.
Yeah. What the hell?
Camera down. This is dangerous. This
Yeah,
is like
this
going right to the heart of the beast.
Yeah. I can't believe you're about to do this. This is as covert as I can be.
Dang it. I'll log in for that.
You're talking about the heart of the beast. Now you work here.
No one else is working here. So, I mean, someone has to work.
That lady worked here. I don't know where she went.
She ran off. She was afraid.
She saw the camera and was like, I'm out of here.
Let's get the horse, dude.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
I think we should stick with the whole theme.
He's gonna... I don't want him to hate me even more. I feel like he like slightly hates me right now.
49.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. Told you.
I thought of it. Wow, I can't believe Gabe didn't see this. Mark right past Harry Potter. Gabe's collecting just Harry Potter.
Oh, maybe he did see it.
I don't think so.
Wow, we went right in there today.
Right into the heart of the beast.
Yeah. You worked here for a second.
Oh, this one's out of service too.
Oh, prices
Is that
guy.
a car seat?
I have no idea what that is.
Dude.
Wow.
$18.99. Saved $1.
Jeez. Hey.
Do you have this
Hey.
one yet?
Follow me. That's just there?
Yeah.
Is there another
Yeah,
one?
let's-
No, go ahead.
Thank you.
Yay.
Hey, don't come at us like that, Gabe.
Hey, wait. No, come on. Let me. I owe you one. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry.
I touched your
I'm
butt.
sorry. It's okay.
Don't do it again.
We're all friends, okay? We get a little competitive now, but...
You don't need an actual skateboard when you have Spider-Man.
Exactly.
This is it. Ready?
Yeah. I feel like if this was any other store, someone would have been up to us already and just be like, oi.
I think you're onto something.
How much is this? That's clearance. It's now 16 bucks. What do you think? One for the horse and one for him?
I could get that sniper, right?
Do you want to
This is
snipe?
50. That'd be the perfect amount.
You could snipe him while he's doing it.
How much are these? 12 bucks? They match pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, my name's Morgan. Y'all know me as Young Hefe, aka D1 Glizzy, baby. You feel me? Go follow me on Instagram. I'll see y'all.
What's
Have a
up?
nice
All right,
day.
peace.
Y'all-
Spider-Man?
I'm Fetty.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Y'all go.
Yeah, we're
mess
gonna
with
turn
Fetty.
this into a skateboard.
I think it's gonna be pretty hard to skate.
That's good, though.
Yeah, yeah.
But it
that's
won't
good.
break, okay.
Yeah, yeah. As long as it doesn't break, I think you're fine.
I like this.
The Walking Dead one.
I love the Walking Dead.
I know.
I did snipe someone pretty well today in Fortnite, so
Well, I hope that luck continues.
it was a bolt action too.
Oh,
I haven't done a video where I get to shoot someone in a while.
I know. Normally people are very hesitant when they see cameras. That guy was all over it.
I know.
He loved it.
I'm not looking for my name. I just want to drink something respectable.
Fetty, you're literally like my lifesaver, man.
You could do stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't tell him all the rules, Gabe.
I
mean,
did. I just didn't think that Fetty was gonna go that hard today.
I sniped someone in Fortnite, so it's only fair I sniped someone in real life.
Dude.
Let's go.
We almost just got an actual skateboard.
I saw that.
He's
Is this
logged
like
in.
the weirdest selection of things you've checked out today?
We're gonna make skateboards out of this stuff.
They have Pizza Hut breadsticks here. That went exceptionally smoothly.
Yeah.
That was that was very nice. Besides me peeing on the floor and there being some rotten peaches all over the place.
Wow. You guys had a different experience to us.
Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings? Leave a comment below. My favorite thing to do with bags is spin them around as hard as you can.
Do
And
it.
then watch.
Because child Fetty can't wait until we get to the Braille house. He's opening it in the car at a red light. Thank you.
Right now, right now, right now, right now. I'm learning the aiming before we even start.
I'm not on your team, but this is freaking awesome, dude. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh, wait, stop!
Spider-Man! What? Spider-Man.
Oh! Oh! This looks so sad.
You're gonna feel a slight pinch. Alright, you ready?
I don't know how I feel about that.
Press any button and I'll be right back.
Tom Holland does not sound like that. Tell me a joke.
Okay. How about this one? What's Spider-Man's favorite part of the joke? The punchline? Get it? I get the feeling there's some bad guys around here. Could be trouble.
What the hell?
How about this one? I'm pretty sure Vulture doesn't have a master plan. I think he's just winging it, you know?
Oh my god.
Dude, are you okay?
That's wrong.
Whoa, that position though. It's like the cutest board I've ever seen. Wow!
Dude, this is dangerous.
Kick him while they're down.
That was the worst slam of the day.
That fell so hard.
Oh my god, dude.
Shot a bullet, gotta pick it up.
Whoa!
Fakey, frontside, pivot.
Oh no!
Are you serious?
No way!
Would that count?
Wow.
K to K.
K to K.
It's because he shot me.
Dang, I wanted that for you.
I wanted it too, but
How in the world did he even get close?
alright.
Yes.
I've been on the floor so much today. It's like the sixth time you've done that for me.
It's only Friday.
I think I popped the ball.
Oh my god, dude, look at that.
Oh my god.
I landed on my balls. I'm full send.
That was the best thing ever, dude.
I want to
Better.
build something stronger that can withstand stuff like that.
All right, well, Chris, I'm sorry you officially lose, but we do have to finish the game of skate on that. Oh! You just fully snapped his neck.
Do you hear that?
Dude, did you see his next? No! No!
Spider-Man! Wake up! Wow. Oh, your ass.
Look at his butt! Look at his butt crack!
No, you can fly 180. Dude, I hit my elbow so hard. Dude, that was awesome.
Oh, yeah!
There we go. There we go.
Oh no, you broke it.
Pop. Great.
Oh!
That was clean. That was really clean, actually. Backside big spin. Damn.
Well, that was seriously the most hilariously weird, dumb failure of a video ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Skate Everything Wars Target 2.0. It's always a huge mystery trying to figure out what's going to happen to what you buy.
I bet.
But it's fun. It's fun. It's always a good time. If you want to check them out on Instagram, social media, YouTube, all that stuff will be in the description below. You can find the links there. And you can subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And we will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. And if you want to check out Skate Everything Wars Bass Pro Shop, you can click right over here to check that out as well. We'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. See you there.